for its ability to copy human sounds. Now we have got one such bird, so do get your video cameras rolling, okay? Ah, my best buddy, you want to say hello? It's so cute. Okay, now tell everyone here, what's your name? Amigo, that's his name. Let's do that one more time, shall we? Now tell everyone here, what's your name? Amigo, very good. Now, Amigo, what would you like to say to all these nice people?
How are you?
How are you doing? Good. Very good. As you all know, today is the Chinese Lunar New Year. It's the year of the goat. Now, Amigo, what would you like to wish everyone here on this new year? He said, "Kopi Patai." Let's try that one more time, okay? What do you want to wish everyone this Lunar New Year? Kung Si Fa Chai. Now, Kung Si Fa Chai means wishing you a prosperous new year ahead, alright? Now, Amigo here is a very smart bird, and he can count from 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, perfect! And guess what? He can also count from 1 to 10 in Chinese. 哇，很好！很好。Now, 很好 in Mandarin means very good. Oh, did I tell you that in his free time, he loves to sing, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Now, the first song is a local children's song. It's titled Kerelai. It means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, sing a song in Mandarin. Wow, singing right in tune. Which means Singapore Idol. Alright, now the next song originates from Indonesia. It's titled Rasa Sayang. It means feelings of love. Amigo, sing Rasa Sayang. Amigo. Now the next song is an English song. It's a happy birthday song. Alright, by the way, who is celebrating your birthday on this Lunar New Year? Who's celebrating their birthday? Let's start people on this side. We have a young man in orange. Okay, we got one here. Anyone else? No one? Okay, how about in the middle section? We've got one more, a lady. Okay, we got 1, 2. Anybody else in the middle section? We've got 3. Okay, a young boy there. 3. Anyone else? No one else? How about here? Anyone's birthday? 4, 5. The gentleman in blue. The lady in yellow. 6. Anyone else? 7. The young man with the stripy green and white. Okay, for the 7 of you, Amigo will sing you a birthday song. Amigo, you know what to do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
What a smart bird! Very good! Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, before you go back home, can everyone say bye-bye, amigo? Bye, amigo. We have such a nice audience. Okay, amigo will say bye-bye to all of you, okay? Amigo, say bye-bye.
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 Last one.
Bye-bye.
Alright, let's give it up for amigo! Awesome! Thank you! Alright, now parents like amigo requires a lot of